Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bullitt County in north central Kentucky, northeastern Hardin County in north central Kentucky until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Rogersville, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will also impact Shepherdsville, Bardstown Junction and Belmont, Cedar Grove and Claremont, Mount Washington, Whitfield. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Report severe weather to local law enforcement and have them relay your report to the National Weather Service in Louisville.